It's time to reveal the exclusive Stencil Club set for September 2019. Lacey Leaves, designed by Trish McKinney.
Hi, Trish McKinney here. Surprise! I'm the Stencil Girl artist for this month for the club, and I have been keeping a secret for several months about my stencils. They pair very well with my already existing stencils that have vines and organic shapes. And I thought, what better place to reveal them to you than my own backyard and my source of inspiration, which are these beautiful leaves that grow in the woods right behind my house. So these leaves, these are my inspiration. So there are 3 stencils, the 4x4, which is the baby, and the 6x6, which, as you can tell, are different, just like the leaves that grow behind me. And they're wonderful because they don't have frames, as usual. I like that. And you can kind of move them around and use them almost like a border, abstract, or quite literal. They have so many options. This is the 9x12. Again, no border. And this one in particular, I adore this leaf. I hope you enjoy my Lacey Leaves stencils, and I can't wait to see what you do with them. I think that's my favorite part about creating stencils, is that a little piece of me is connected with a little piece of you as an artist, and that's always magic. And I can't wait to see what you do, and until then, remember the inspiration. Have fun.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember, Stencil Club stencil sets ship on the 15th of the month, and members will be able to access the designer's exclusive project video and PDF. Need stencils? Just click the link below. Happy stenciling!